Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your GMC Envoy throttle body. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver, a socket set, and a specialized throttle body cleaner spray. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin any work. This ensures your safety and prevents potential burns. Having all the correct supplies ready makes the entire cleaning process much smoother and more efficient for you. Next, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents any accidental electrical issues. Then, carefully remove the air intake hose that connects to the throttle body. You will also need to detach any electrical connectors plugged into the throttle body itself. Finally, use your socket set to unbolt the throttle body from the intake manifold, setting it aside gently. Now, it's time for the actual cleaning. Liberally spray both sides of the throttle plate and the inside of the throttle body with your specialized cleaner. Use a soft brush or a clean cloth to gently scrub away any carbon buildup or grime you see. Be thorough but gentle. It's crucial to allow the cleaner to evaporate completely before you even think about reassembling anything. To finish, carefully reattach the throttle body to the intake manifold, ensuring all bolts are tightened securely. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the air intake hose. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and let it idle for a few minutes. Take it for a short test drive to confirm smooth operation and improved performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.